Alright, so css.lint.hexColorLength. Hex colors must consist of 3 or 6 hex numbers. Actually, this is not accurate. Hex colors can be 3, 4, 6, or 8 hexadecimal numbers, because CSS now accepts the alpha channel and hex numbers for color. So either way, this setting doesn't really apply anymore, I think. I think it's just a setting that kind of fell through the gaps, because if we insert incorrect hex color value, it's not going to show us an error that's related to this setting. So let me show you what that looks like. So we have this this color here, and if we delete a value, it's going, or add one, doesn't really matter as long as it's incorrect, and we hover over the error, it says property value expected CSS property value expected. So this is the rule that is being broken, and it's coming from the CSS language server, right, or the language service. And notice that we have this setting set to warning, right, and it's giving us an error, and whatever you use here, you can set it to ignore. It's not going to do anything. So I actually think this setting is, well, either there's some particular instance where the setting is relevant and I don't know about it, or the setting is really not used anymore. And I've left, actually first I left a question in Stack Overflow, and then I decided, well, no one's answering this, so I'm going to leave a bug report, and it seems to be a bug. But until this one is closed or investigated, we won't really know. So that's pretty much it. I don't have more information about this. Just it's either not used, or eventually I'll get to know where this is used, and I'll re-record another video.